Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna fly these airplanes down there. So yeah, I'm at my cabin again, and this is the top deck. We have two decks, and it's pretty big. So let's go. I'm gonna try out this one. This one is how I make my airplanes. It's pretty windy days. Oh, this bird. How this goes. Ooh, Man, don't cheat. That was like pretty bad. It's hard to catch the camera. This one's a different style. It's more folded like that. This on camera. That one was hard to get on. Didn't fly that well. It's hard to do with it really windy. Let's do this one. This one is my friends, my brothers. It didn't go good. So let's go get those and then try on the second deck. So here's our airplanes. This one is just bad. Let me just grab it. So let's go back and we're gonna try on the second deck. If you hear music, sorry. Please no copyright. So we're going with the long one again. It's still windy. That one's so bad. My desk. Okay, here's this one again. Oh, that. It fell back. This one's gonna probably be the best. Went good. Now we're gonna try on the ground floor and then we're gonna try it inside. There's an airplane. Okay, here's one of the airplanes. Whoa. True thing. Here's one. Where'd the second one go? Airplane hunt. Time. Airplane. Just gonna put these down here and just fly them across here. It's really windy. Let's try it this way. I'm gonna fly some really good. This one's probably gonna be bad. Going backwards. I told you it was bad. This one is probably gonna be good. Ooh, it landed before this one. Now we're gonna fly it this way. Or see if this goes in a different. Oh, Dad, it's gonna hit you. This one.
All right.
Whoa! I almost got hit by that. Do you see that one? It's like curved around and stuff. This one's probably the worst one. It's not. It's a trick. See if I can fly up to the deck. I can't get it up there. See if I can get Alex. Alex is up there. I can't get him up there. It's too high. This one goes like ching. I'm gonna try these inside now. Okay, we're down here, so now we're gonna try again. So we're going the fastest glider. It hit the ceiling. Now we're gonna go with this one. Doesn't work out. This one. That one glides straight. Here, let's see this one again because this one it hit the ceiling. That's why it worked well. Ooh, it's going on a trip. So yeah, let's grab these. Okay guys, we're gonna put this in trick mode. Now we're gonna fly it. If you hear noises in the background, we have guests over at our cabin. Okay, let's see this one. Work like a charm. Come on, flip over. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Wall. Loves walls. Wall lover. Bye. This is super cool. These airplanes are really quickly made easily. And like, subscribe, and comment for airplane. Banana, banana, banana. like, subscribe, and comment. This one is the worst. That one is probably the best right there. And that one is probably second best. Okay, so please like, subscribe, and comment for airplanes. And comment what I should do next. What else I should throw out the window. I'm going to do another video today. And yeah. So bye.